Could I go to Mecca?
You could when you're Muslim.
Only if you're Muslim.
Yeah. I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy of worship
that none worshiper
except one Allah.
except one Allah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel Adama Entertainment, channelnya tentang video Islam dan juga kisah mu'alaf. Sebelum mulai, jangan lupa untuk like dan juga subscribe ya. Tanpa panjang lebar, ayo kita saksikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat Islam semuanya. Legenda Jiu-Jitsu Brazil, BJJ, dan salah satu pionir seni bela diri campuran MMA, Royce Gracie, memutuskan untuk menjadi seorang mualaf. Mantan instruktur bela diri militer Israel atau IDF ini menjadi mualaf setelah bertemu dengan YouTuber Muslim Amerika Eddie Rezovic dan pendakwah Syekh Utsman Ibn Farouk.
But I don't know, I agree with my son. I don't know if I can do the Ramadan, not eating for what? For how long you don't eat?
From the morning sunrise to sunset.
But for how long? How many days?
No, we eat every night
But how many days?
for 1 month,
1 month
30
without
days.
eating during the daytime?
Yes.
I don't know if I can do that.
I think you're very
I can
disciplined.
do it for a couple days.
You're very competitive.
But I'll tell you this, when you haven't had food all day and you haven't had drink all day, that first sip of water, that first bite of food, it's the tastiest, you appreciate it, and then you remember that there are people in favelas to ghettos that, from different areas that don't have the luxuries we have. That, people in Palestine right now, in Gaza, that they don't have food because the borders have been shut off. So you feel the pain of others. Because sometimes, as you know, you kind of get caught up in the worldly life. And Ramadan kind of brings you back to your center. Like the 5-time prayers that we have, the same thing. You get caught up in your daily routine, money, world, whatever your test may be. Everybody has a different test. For some it may be women, for some it may be men, some it may be money, it may be fame. But when you stand up and you pray, it reminds you that there's a God that's greater than you, that you have a purpose more than just what, making money and living out your life. So Ramadan, Hajj, as we were talking about earlier, when you go for that pilgrimage to Mecca and you see people from all different nationalities and you drop those labels, because in the world, you see somebody dressed a certain way, you assume certain things about them, right? Somebody's in a custom-made suit with a Rolex and a Ferrari and a Bentley and all of that, you assume they're successful. You see somebody, broke on the side of the street, you assume they're failures. You look at somebody dressed a certain way, you assume they're Mexican or they're Pakistani or so on. But when you go there and you see everybody wearing the same thing, 2 pieces of white, simple cloth, nobody's got a Bentley and nobody's on a bike, eating
I'm not
together.
a Muslim. Can I go?
You can definitely come visit, for example, Medina right now. There are, some programs that have been set up for
Can
non-Muslims
I
to
go
come visit.
during Ramadan?
In Ramadan, yeah, if you want to go to Medina, you can visit Medina. Right now it's open. Medina is the city of the Prophet. It's next to Mecca.
What I see on TV.
No, this is Mecca. Here
It's
we're
Mecca.
going to have to get you a special visa, which is the Shahada. So you have to be Muslim for that one.
What country?
Saudi Arabia. Both of them are in
And
Saudi Arabia.
Medina.
Both of them in
You've
Saudi
been to
Arabia.
Saudi Arabia?
No, I haven't been to
You've
Saudi
been
Arabia. If I want to go to Mecca,
The Mecca, the Haram, the sanctuary.
could I go to Mecca?
You could when you're Muslim.
Only if you're Muslim.
Yeah. But
But
that's
to
easy.
Medina, I can go without being Muslim.
In Medina right now, they have non-Muslims that are allowed to visit. But think about it. You already believe there's one God. You don't believe we should worship idols or, cows or anything, right? You believe that God sent messengers like Abraham and Moses and
Yes.
Jesus and Muhammad. You believe they were messengers. You're Muslim.
I don't eat pork.
Oh,
I don't drink alcohol.
you don't drink alcohol?
Khalas. You're there.
The only thing I cannot smoke that, how do you call that?
We don't smoke that stuff either.
How do you call that?
The shisha.
Shisha.
No, don't smoke shisha,
cannot-
please.
yeah.
I don't smoke shisha. Not
I don't smoke shisha. I don't drink. I don't eat pork.
That's it. So you're Muslim already. You have the Muslim belief.
I just
Okay.
gotta let my beard grow.
Hey, it looks good. No, it's in fad nowadays, right? As a Muslim, you don't have to have a beard. The core of what makes a Muslim is your belief. What we call aqidah, belief, right? We stand
And we're going to Mecca.
and we're going to Mecca. That's it. So let's do this. Let's do this. All right. So you do believe there's only one God,
Yes.
right? You have no problem testifying to that.
Yes.
And you believe that Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad were all messengers of God.
Yes.
You don't worship any of them, right?
No.
Okay, we're going to do the testimony. I'm going to do it with you, all right? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
al
al
la
La
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar. It's
Allahu
amazing.
Akbar.
All right, we're going to say it in English, all right? I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy of worship
that none worshiper
except
except one Allah.
and I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
Muhammad
is a messenger of Allah.
is a message of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Muslim. That's it. We're going to Mecca.
Berita tentang masuknya Gracie ke Islam muncul hanya 10 hari setelah ia mendapat reaksi keras di media sosial karena postingannya yang menyatakan dukungannya bagi Israel. Masuknya Royce Gracie ke dalam agama Islam telah menambah daftar orang-orang yang menjadi mualaf selama genosida Israel di Gaza. Wallahu a'lam bissawab.
Should I go to Mecca?
You could when you're Muslim.
Only if you're Muslim.
Yeah. I bear witness
I bear witness
there is none worthy of worship
that none worshiper
except
except one Allah.
Nah, sepertilah kisahnya, bagaimana kan kisahnya ini sangat menginspirasi kita bahwa kita itu sebagai umat muslim, dengan adanya video ini kita itu menjadi terinspirasi bahwa kita itu bisa lebih baik lagi untuk menjadi seorang pribadi muslim yang lebih baik lagi. Dan dengan video ini juga mungkin kalian juga yang mungkin non muslim ya, yang menyaksikan ini, kalian juga mungkin ada gambaran seperti apa bahwa agama Kristen itu tidak selalu misalnya benar ya, karena banyak juga kontradiksi di sini bahwa agama Kristen, agama non Islam misalnya gitu ya, jika orang-orang mereka itu mualaf itu karena apa, kebanyakan itu mereka itu tahu bahwa Islam itu adalah agama yang benar, agama yang lebih masuk akal daripada agama-agama lainnya. Dari mana kita itu bisa tahu hal itu ya, karena kita mempelajari Al-Quran dan mempelajari agama Islam gitu. Kita itu harus terbuka, harus berpikir terbuka, harus maksudnya kita itu harus mencerminkan bahwa kita itu sebenarnya itu Indonesia itu emang toleransi ya, tapi ketika kita dihadapkan dengan sesuatu agama gitu ya, kita harus mengkaji, misalnya agama Kristen seperti ini, agama Hindu seperti ini, agama Islam juga seperti ini, dan beda-beda ya, karena di Indonesia itu banyak sekali agama ya, tapi kebanyakan di channel ini adalah tentang agama dari non muslim ke muslim, dikarenakan agama Islam adalah agama yang paling sempurna di dunia ini. Sampai akhir zaman pun Al-Quran itu berkata bahwa Allah itu akan menjaga Al-Quran sampai hari akhir. Nah, semoga yang menonton video ini bisa terinspirasi ya, dan semakin kuat lagi imannya, terutama agama Islam ya. Dan jika yang nonton adalah non muslim juga, kalian cobalah untuk berpikiran terbuka dan seperti apakah Islam dan sebagainya. Jangan sampai kita itu banyak kan ada seperti Islamofobia dan sebagainya, tidak suka kerudung, tidak suka pengajian, tidak suka apapun yang padahal kan kita menjalankan agamanya masing-masing. Bagi kalian yang belum subscribe juga ya, silakan itu subscribe dan juga like dan juga komentar ya, agar kita itu bisa bersilaturahmi, agar kita itu, karena di kolom komentar ini ya, di channel ini kebanyakan itu agama muslim dan non muslim itu suka ada ya, dan suka ada yang membalas dan sebagainya. Dan jika kalian suka, jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan subscribe ya, dan nantikan video saya selanjutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.